got here as quickly as I could.
You're too late.
Sheldon, this is silly.
You got emotional when that lab monkey died.
That lab monkey told me he loved me in sign language.
Great. Now I'm gonna have that song in my head all day.
Look, I'm sorry for your loss, but I think I have something that might make you feel better. I got you a new computer.
How could you do that?
Do what?
Choosing a new laptop is an incredibly personal ritual, but you have taken away weeks of agonizing thought, tedious research, sleepless nights filled with indecision. Haven't I lost enough today?
Well, the guy at the store said this one is great.
Oh, the guy. Oh, pardon me. Oh, sorry, I didn't realize you'd spoken to the guy. Yeah, tell me, did the guy choose one with a 4K display and a Thunderbolt port?
Yes.
Yeah? Well, did the guy make sure that this has a 1 terabyte solid-state drive?
Yes.
Yeah, oh, well, was this guy Rick from Computer Solutions on Colorado?
Yes.
Yeah, well, he does know his stuff. I'm glad I told you about the storage unit.
Well, I feel closer to you now.
I feel closer to you, too. You know, it's still a couple of hours until my bedtime.
What did you have in mind?
You look amazing. I mean, this resolution is remarkable.
I really had to go home for this.
Yes, but it's like you're right here in the room.
And yet, I'm not.
I feel like I could reach out and touch you.
And yet, you can't.
I know.